What's going on? We're back. We are cruising to the track. Gonna get some test runs in. Everything's looking pretty good. I'm super pumped for today. We got killer oil pressure, trans temps under 180. I'm super pumped. This is gonna be awesome. True street car right here. Going 60, 65 down the highway at 3,000, no problem. And we're gonna see what this car does today. Not gonna get too crazy with it. No trans brake button, just foot braking it. And hopefully get a couple hits in. Kind of late, but I had to work late, so it is what it is. First clear day of the season without rain, so let's get out there and see what happens. Brian, I do a 1-2 or 2-3 for the burnout. I probably still leave soft. All right, we're gonna make a hit, see what happens. No idea what's gonna happen, but something will happen. Hopefully pretty good. one toot on accident, but not too shabby. Felt pretty good, pretty straight. Didn't want to get too crazy with it, but I'll take it for the first hit. I know what to expect. Sound good. All right, so it's actually a couple days later now. I'm back home. Car had made it home under its own power, and just kind of want to recap the video. So first test pass, I made kind of a oopsies, and when I launched, it went from first to second, like 30 foot out. I accidentally shifted into second, just from getting pulled back in the car. And that was my bad, but the car went A to B, and I wanted to make another hit, so I let it cool down for a little bit, got back in the lanes. It was slam packed there because it's only been open twice because of rain. So got in the very back of the lanes, waited for all the grudge racers, and then made another pass on the second pass as I wanted to give it more throttle and go actually wide open, because on the first pass I didn't. I went to probably close to 6,000 RPM and shifted it. Just like I said, I wanted to feel it, feel the power, feel all the new torque curve, everything. All that was just, this is new to me, so with having the 400 in it. So second pass, I felt a little more comfortable. Want to introduce, you know, higher RPM, run it all the way up to 7. So I got right about 7,000 and shifted into second. And in the video, you can kind of hear it, but it just it blew right through it, and the power, like, it didn't go into second gear at all. It just pretty much pegged off the limiter. So could be a linkage adjustment. I got back and checked it the following day after work, and it didn't seem like it was bad. I made a tiny adjustment, but I know how sensitive those linkages are. If it's not perfect, then you could potentially have issues. So maybe that was the case. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna pull the car apart and get just have the transmission gone through and make sure that it's perfect. Also, if it needs parts to be improved, then we'll have them improved. Because this is on low boost right now, technically, and it's only gonna get more power thrown out in the future. So I'd rather go ahead and bite that bullet and build a top end, you know, high torque capable turbo 400. As well as get the converter changed now before I end up putting more power to it when I go E85, yada yada. So that's it pretty much for this video. I wish I could got more runs in, but the track closed. I was like one of the last people to go down the track, and I had to work the next day, so I don't want to be out there super late. But as soon as we get the car back, hopefully I have this turned around in a little while. I would say a couple weeks, I'm hoping, depending on parts. If I do need parts, we'll get it back out there, do a couple more test passes, and then Street Car Takeover Rockingham will be our first actual event that we plan on going to with a couple guys. So thank y'all again. I hit over 200 subscribers so far. My goal this year is to get to 500 or 450 to 500, depending on you guys. So make sure you share it, like it, subscribe it. If you have any questions, comments, I'm trying to get to all of them as much as possible. Leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.